Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through counselling treatment plans. So what is a counselling treatment plan? A counselling treatment plan is a document created by a counsellor and their client that outlines the client goals, strategies, and interventions. It is a living document that is reviewed and updated on a regular basis throughout the counselling process. The plan provides structure to appointments and improves care quality by tracking progress and making necessary adjustments to the treatment approach. With this treatment plan, clients can experience greater counselling outcomes for a healthier state of mind. The document can be used by counsellors, therapists, and many more. The first step is to fill in all of the client information. You'll then need to complete the presenting concerns of the client. Once completed, then move on to the assessment summary to identify areas to improve. Then complete the treatment goals as well as the resulting strategies and interventions. The final step is to create a relevant action plan. Add additional notes if needed and remember to revise the document as necessary. If you'd like to access our counselling treatment plan, then head on over to carepatron.com. Our templates are available within the template tab under the community section and can be filtered by notes or assessments. To find the note faster, you can also type in the keyword.